Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set the date and time on a Casio G Shock watch, especially for Germany. The first step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds until you see the city code in 3 letters start blinking on the same screen. Use the 2 buttons on the right side of the watch to choose your city code. For Germany, we're gonna use Berlin or BER. So we're gonna press the buttons until we found BER. Here it is. Press the mode button once and now press on the forward button to turn on or off DST, Daylight Saving Times or Summer Times. Summer Times has to be on from the last Sunday of March till the last Sunday of October in Germany. Once you set summer time, press on the mode button once and now press on the forward button to choose to display between 12 hours or 24 hours on the screen. Press the mode button and now press on the forward button to reset the seconds to 0. Press again the mode button and now use the 2 buttons on the right side of the watch to choose the hour of your local time. Press the mode button again and now again use the 2 buttons on the right side to choose the minutes of your local time. Press the mode button and the 2 buttons on the right side to choose the year. Press the mode button and now use the 2 buttons again on the right side to choose the month. Press the mode button and now we're gonna choose the date using the 2 buttons on the right side. To exit the setting, press the adjust button one time. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.